Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to use Claude Code with Visual Studio in 2026 and set everything up properly for a smoother AI coding workflow. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To use Claude Code with Visual Studio, first you must use or download the Claude Code extension. To do that, simply open your VS Code and go to the extensions on the sidebar. Click extensions and search for Claude Code. And here you can see that I can install it. Now simply install it. Trust. And there we go. Now I can just simply go to my project. And now I can use Claude Code. I just have to subscribe. Make sure that you are subscribed to Claude Code to be able to use this one. And after that, you can now use Claude Code easily. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.